Right, here's the compass. I'm gonna be installing this on my boat. This is the leading brand. I haven't seen a lot of videos out there, so I decided to post a video on this. In the back you see a bunch of parts. This is gonna be for the annual maintenance before spring, before summer, and I have a video on that. So let me crack this open. Go out of the box. You're gonna have the unit here. This is the back plate that you probably screw it in to fix it in the dash. Oh, we don't need to do this. Let's take a quick look at this here. There is probably a manual, so make sure you read it. Bunch of small letters here. Not gonna do it now, so save it for later. Let's take a close look at the unit here. Yeah, there you go. See, it's actually beautiful. It's crazy because it works from any direction, right? You can see, even if bottom up here, in the middle it's always pointing north. So pretty cool. It's actually very long. I don't know why it gotta be so long. As I said, these terminals here are 12 volts, and they are intended to light an LED inside. Let's see what they say here. Yep. Deviation in the boat may require compensation of this compass to assure currents. I don't know what they mean by that. So, but this is the leading brand, so I'm expecting that this will work just fine. And this is a perfect size for my boats. So let's find out. We still gotta post a video on how to install that. As you can see, it's always looking for north. So if I mess that up like this, yeah, north is behind me. So pretty cool. Working just very, very cool. If I rotate this way, yeah, it's always pointing north.